All right, good morning. Today I will do this question. It's a very important question for your CBSE exam and also for any entrance examination. This question is from Alternating Current CBSE sample paper 2022-2023. So let's read the question first. The reading of the voltmeter is 40 volts. Okay, so the reading of the voltmeter 1. This is the reading which is given to you as 40 volts, and you have to find the reading of this particular voltmeter. You're also given the supplied voltage is this. Okay, so which means you have to find the voltage across the resistor. If you look into this is RLC. So this is an RLC series circuit. Okay, how will you solve this problem? The voltage triangle, the concept of voltage triangle should be understood by you, which is this. Okay, this is the x-axis. Draw the voltage here as VR. The voltage in an RLC circuit across the capacitor is in this direction. Across the inductor, it is in this direction. The net voltage, whichever is higher, you don't know. The magnitude is given generally by VL minus VC, but this is in y-axis. If you see, this is plus y-axis, this is minus y, and this is x-axis. So y-axis voltage is VL minus VC, and if you notice, the V1 is across L and C, and L and C are in y-axis. The y-axis voltage has been measured to be 40 volts. So this is available to you as 40 volts, right? The subtotal voltage and the x-axis voltage is also has to be found out. So if I draw complete the triangle, this is the voltage. The resultant voltage is this, right? Generally, the word should have been the voltmeter measures what is called as the maximum voltage, right? Maximum, because in an AC circuit, the voltage fluctuates. So the voltage across in this particular voltmeter would have changed continuously. The value is 40 volts as so this is 40 volts. The sorry, this is VL minus VC, right? Whichever. So this has been given to you as 40, and you have to find X, which is the voltage in this, right? So, and this is given to be 50 root 2. So you can see what you have done is you have created something called as a voltage triangle. Voltage triangle. A voltage triangle looks like this, right? This is the magnitude. So let's write the equation and try to solve this. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So this is 50 root 2 whole square. This is hypotenuse square is equal to base square. Base has to be found out. The perpendicular is known to be 40 square. So 2500 into 2 is equal to x square plus 1600, and x square is equal to 5000 minus 1600, and x square is equal to 3400. So the under root of 3400 will be very close to 60, right? So let's see what are the choices that we are given. You can see one of the choices is 58. So let me just do a quick multiplication of 58 into 58. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40, 46. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25 and 29. Right, so this is 4 6 3 3 3 6 4, right? It is quite close to 3400. So the answer is 58 volts. So the value which the voltmeter will measure will be 58 volts, right? So I hope this is clear in your mind. A quick explanation I will give you here. The quick explanation is that if you are given an RLC circuit, like if you are given an RLC and C circuit, and you apply a AC voltage where V is given by Vm sine omega t. This is the way you're given. The triangle is made by the x-axis as the resistor. So the voltage across the resistance is always in x-axis. These two voltages are drawn like this. The one which is for capacitor is drawn in the bottom side. The one in the inductor, okay, is drawn on the upper side. You have to see which one is bigger. Is VL bigger or VLC bigger? If VL is bigger, then you generally tend to subtract and find out VL minus VC because VL is bigger, and draw it in the upper direction and complete the voltage triangle. This particular voltage is the maximum voltage which is in the signal. So this is Vm, which we took as 50 root 2. And then the voltage which is across the both, across this inductor is this voltage. So this is VL. The voltage which is across the capacitor is this. The difference of the two is shown like this. Okay, so this is, and this of course is your VL, and this is the V maximum of the total. So Vm square is given to be VL minus VC whole square plus VR square. The point to be noted is VL leads the resistive voltage by 90 degree, and VC lags the resistive voltage by 90 degree. I hope this voltage triangle is known to you. There is another triangle called as impedance triangle. Learn about it. Please go to my playlist. 125 videos on alternating current, all explained and solved. Some videos are just 1 minute videos. You can watch them quickly, and some are longer videos for detailed explanation. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.